Here is my orders table. Here you can see here is my order detail id, order id, product id and quantity. I want the count of product id, how much orders I have placed this product id. So to count the rows, we can use calculate and filter function in this DAX. So how can we implement this? So first of all, we will go to here in columns. We will add here one column and we will give here equal to calculate, and then after count rows, and here is asking the which table. This table is order details table, order details table, and we will close comma, and then we will use filter, and it asks which table, and this table is same order table. After that we will get comma, and in filter expression we will use this product id, product id, and then we will this equals to earlier, earlier will be order details product id, and closing this parenthesis will hit enter, and you can see this product id is counted 9 times. If I filter this, filter filter by selected cell value, you can see the I have ordered this product id 9 times. You can see the here 9 times. So if I check another, this product id 14 is used, order is 14 times. You can see this order product id is used 14 times. So in this way you can calculate the count rows in this function. So I hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.